So you don't understand how to shape key. Not a problem. The AR facial mocap system works with shape keys. A shape key is just a variant of your mesh. If you've never seen one before, here's how it works. Let's say you have a basic 3D object like so. Under data properties, if you click the plus, it will set the current object as your base shape. If you add a new shape to the mix and set it to 1, then edit the model, you will now have your first shape key. And every time you drag this value towards 1, it will take the form of whatever shape you made for your model. And if you do it again, your object will now have 2 shape keys, which you can always access with these values. For facial mocap, you need specifically 52 shape keys. Now, there are 2 main ways that you can make face keys: the sculpting method and the weight paint rigging method. If you hate weight painting and rigging, that's okay. You can just go to sculpt mode and start sculpting the face into whatever shape you need for each key. You can also at any point manually edit the points exactly to get everything perfect if you want. Method 2, if you have a rigged face, or you prefer to weight paint your model to a rig, click your face, Shift D, under modifiers, turn the rig off, and in data, add a base shape. Pose your face rig however you want. Click your rigged face, shift click the duplicate, and under keys, click join as face. And you just repeat this for every face you need. So those are the 2 easiest methods. It doesn't matter which one you pick. As long as your face has all 52 keys, the motion capture will work. If you don't know what those 52 shape keys are, I'll be going over all those with you in a future video. Until then, as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.